It's a Bushcraft Thanksgiving. Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry Thanksgiving Edition. I'm Gary.
I'm Gary.
And
happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. We're having Thanksgiving out at the shelter I'm starting. We cooked everything over the fire. We got some turkey, some mashed potatoes, stuffing, all your traditional fixings. We didn't have cranberry sauce, but we got cranberry juice. Right on.
Tastes like chicken.
Mm-hmm. It's already seasoned.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not cooking it. You cook it in the bag?
Cook this side up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing that. I'm going to take it out of the bag. It's already seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
That's not right. What?
Chicken stock with turkey breast.
Uh-oh. Turkeys. Did I? Yeah. Hot in here. I don't like it. No, sir, I don't like it.
No, they're not ready yet.
They're not ready yet. Yeah.
They're not ready yet.
Yep. Definitely not ready yet. Take it. Cup of water. I'm gonna put that into the gravy. Don't worry, we're gonna boil it down.
I'm not worried about
I'm gonna take a couple more. Just gonna set them aside for the stuffing. Got a few of these. All right, now we need to drain the potatoes someplace.
Out of the way.
Someplace out of the way.
Unintentionally, you did a good job.
So I'm gonna tossing all this butter in here. Buttery mashed potatoes. Nothing wrong with buttery mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
No?
No, I like mashed potatoes with butter, so it's good.
That's almost done. Did you want rolls or something?
Can you make rolls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want rolls? All
We
right.
make them, yeah. Sure. If not, if we have time, yeah. I gotta mix it all up, or just,
It's all right. Pretty much ready.
I'm not worried about it. You can just eat.
Add a little bit of.
Should have oil in here somewhere.
Oil.
There you go.
Just add some oil.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it the easy way.
Mm-hmm.
Add some oil.
Mm-hmm.
Just. Gonna go grab a couple of sticks. About 1.5 to 2 inches around.
That's not good at that, is it?
Yeah, you're right.
You gotta put the stick through them or something.
Yeah, you're right. Write that in now. All right. Just to make sure it's done.
I think it's done. This is what we need to eat is good.
Huh?
What we'll eat is good. Absolutely.
Well, yeah. I just wanted to make sure. Never done this before, so
Well,
it's freaking juicy.
very good.
Wow. Look how freaking moist that is.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Yeah.
No.
Let me show you my plate. Right on. There we go. Some turkey and gravy and mashed potatoes, green beans. Yeah. Some Bannock rolls. A little burnt, but not
Biscuits
bad.
on a stick.
Biscuits on a stick. How's the turkey?
Good. Real tender. Came out real good. Tastes like chicken.
Must be the chicken stock. Wow. Yeah. We just
Came out real good.
did a turkey breast. We didn't do anything fancy. No big turkey or anything. Cooked it in the Dutch oven. And it's really good.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. All right, so we ate, and
Yes.
now we're fat and happy.
I feel pretty
I
amazing.
want to say thank you to everybody for subscribing, for hanging out with me, and coming along on our hikes and hanging out in the woods with us. Look forward to more of this stuff. I got the shelter started. We're going to finish it up. We'll do some winter camping out here. It's
I have all the time in the world to do that.
he'll be retired in a little while. So things I'm thankful for the year past is I have a wonderful woman that supports me. She's at home right now. We'll have Thanksgiving with her and our family on Saturday. I have a great co-host and a co-star that's with his family right now. It's been a great year. Promotion, he's retiring, all kinds of nifty stuff going on.
Here all together, absolutely.
So, he's getting texts from many people that love him. So yeah, thank you all, and I look forward to many, many more wonderful things coming up. So, stay tuned.
Every day is a great day. Thanks for sharing it with us.
Yeah.
Have a good time.
Thanks for sharing it with us. Thanks for joining us on our first Bushcraft Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Looking
forward to many more.
Looking forward to many more. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes. Absolutely.
Get outside.
Yep.
Enjoy it.
Smash that like button.